This video describes how to upgrade the RBO server from WebDE version 4.x that runs on a Unix machine to version 5.2.0. If you are running on a Windows platform, see the video about deploying the RBO server in Windows by clicking below. I'm using SB Client to connect to my Unix server that runs version 4.x. Here you can see the RB Examples account is served by the RBO server. The account resides in version 4.4.3. I'm going to take this account and show you the process to upgrade it to version 5.x. Before I upgrade, I'm going to make sure that I can connect to the RBO server using a test program called rb4testconnection.java using redbeans.jar. My account name is UNIX, as defined in my rgw.ini file that connects to the Unix machine. Here you can see that I connected to the Redback server version 4.4.3. The installation directory, the name of the account, and the path all reflect version 4.x. So to begin the process, on the installation directory of version 5.2.0, navigate to Server, Unix, and your database. In this case, I have Universe. This folder contains two files which you need to FTP over to the Unix machine. The RB app server file is a script that runs the installation for you once it is FTP'd over. This is the same script from version 4.x. I already have these files FTP'd over, but if you need to know how to do this yourself, consult the WebDE installation documentation. Now I'm going to use SB Client to stop the RBO server on my Unix machine. And then move to my Universe 5.2.0 installation directory. Here you can see I have the tar image and the installation script with the correct Unix permissions that I FTP'd over. I can now run the application script. Follow the prompts from the script to continue the installation of version 5.2.0. The script goes through all of the accounts, including the RB Examples account for version 5.2.0. When WebDE is installed, use the ls command to verify that the directory contains the rbdefn, RB Examples, and RBO demo accounts, as well as the Java Scheduler directory. Now I will upgrade the application accounts on my RB Examples on version 4 to work with version 5.2.0's RBO server. First, start a session to your database. Change 4 voc entries in your account: www.progs, www.progs.o, www.lib, and www.live.o. You can see that they are currently pointing to version 4.x of my Universe account. I need to change these to version 5.2.0. I will show how to change www.progs, but know that the other pointers need to be changed as well. Alternatively, you can perform these changes in Web Designer with the Enable for U2 WebDE option. Once all of the pointers are changed, you can run the www.progs recatalog command. This command updates all of your voc entries to version 5.2.0. Now let's configure the Java Scheduler to include this account. Change directories to the location of the scheduler. And use vi to edit the javascheduler.ini file. Change the work directory of the RB Examples account to point to version 4 of the RB Examples account. Define the number of responders. Set the operating system level user ID and password. And verify the server is correct. In the default section, change the log path in rbdefn path as well as the username and password to match your environment. The rbdefn path is the location where I installed. When you are done editing the Java scheduler, save the file, then start the Java scheduler. To start the Java scheduler, you need to have a Java runtime environment of version 1.6 and above installed on your machine. Let's check what version I have. Because I have 1.6, I can start the scheduler. Run the startscheduler.sh script from the 5.2.0 directory. You can check that the Java scheduler is started by searching for the process named Schedule in the list of running processes and see that the scheduler.jar is running, which is the process associated with the Java scheduler. Use the netstat command to verify a listen socket is used on scheduler port 7070 as shown here. Finally, check the Java scheduler log to see that the Java scheduler is started for processes. All is configured and verified on the server side. The next step to complete the upgrade process is to upgrade your applications. Click the relevant video below to decide which way you want to do this, by using the COM wrapper in Windows or manually replacing and updating some files in UNIX.